Hi guys, just thought I'd do a little test today. For the NC500 we're going to be taking a drone like a lot of people do and some cameras, and we're going to try and document it as you've seen before on here. We are going to be doing some more stuff behind the scenes and less kind of just watching someone ride really. But what I am doing today, just for fun really, is I've got some different blade propellers for the drone, and I got them off Amazon. They weren't expensive at all, probably about £8, £6, £7. They've got like a gold tip. But what they did say on part of their advert was that they're meant to be quieter. So I'm going to test that. So next thing I'll do is I'll get the drone outside and I'll set it up and hear it with the normal propellers on, and then I'll put those on and we'll just compare the two and you can be the judge. Okay, so this is the standard propellers, and we're only a few feet away, so I'm going to send it up and we'll just see what happens. Just going to hover it a couple of feet and we'll get closer. Just sit. So now we've got the new blades on, new propellers. That is a different sound, I think. A bit windy today. What do you think? So I'm not really sure what you took from that. The second set, the newer ones, did seem a bit quieter when it started up, but obviously because of the wind it might have affected the sound. So you let me know what you think.